That's the biggest tip I've gotten so far on Doordash. Let's go. Good afternoon. The time is 4 o'clock. Well, it's 4:10 to be exact. Doordash says busy, so look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and hit dash now.
Yes,
30.
sir.
Yes, I got my hot bag, red card, gas, charge phone. Go ahead and see what we get. I'm gonna make some money today because I got some things I got to do. You know, diamond didn't hit my zone. I thought it was something. Diamond don't mean nothing. I'm cherry picking for life. Let's get right to it. Look at that, 367 for 3.6 miles. No sirski. We do not take that crap. I'm looking for that good, fat, big order to start my day off good. See how much we can make today for this dinner shift. Let's get it done. We got our first order of the evening. It's gonna be this Qdoba order. Is $6.50 for 2 miles. And it's perfect because I literally was right around the corner. I stopped at the gas station to go ahead and put some air in the tires. Tire sensor came on, so I wanted to go ahead and get that taken care of. I actually need to get my serpentine belt replaced on my vehicle too. So it's getting cold out here. Make sure you take care of your car so that you can make your money. Alrighty, so that was an awesome first order. $6.50 what was shown, and $6.50 is what we got for that order. Nice little way to start off my shift. I'm not gonna complain about that because it was about 10 minutes total from pickup to drop off. So I did get sent this offer next. $5.50 for 2 miles at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. Not the worst order ever, but here's the thing. I know my market. That Five Guys is not the best one. They take a little bit of time. It's not even about them dropping the fries when you get there. It's just not the quickest. And you know, for that low of a payout, it's just not worth my time. I ended up snagging this order right here, $7.75 for 5 miles, I believe, heading in the direction I was already going. It said Famous Dave. So we already here. We're gonna go ahead and slide in and get this one because this one is a much better offer. It's a possibility for a hidden tip on this one. It's taking me in the direction I'm going, and they probably got it ready. Alrighty, so $7.75 what was shown on that one. $11 what we got. Ended up getting a little extra on that order. Not bad. Let's keep it going. So my next offer ended up being $7 for 5 miles. Not at a place I like picking up from, Johnny Carino, so we're gonna have to do a hard pass on that one. Next offer after that was $7.50 for 8.5 miles, so that's a negative miles to money ratio, so also a hard pass. But after making it over to my zone, I got hit with this offer right here, $13 for 8.9 miles, and that's a hard pass too because the distance is way too far on that one. I'm trying to keep the miles really short on this one, so I let that one go. Next order that came through ended up being $10 a stack, Maggiano's, and It's Just Wings. So both of those are ghost kitchens right here inside Chili's. So we already here, so we're gonna go ahead and get these two picked up, get them dropped off, and that'll be the first hour. That'll be 4 orders done within the first hour. So moving right along, next order of the night that Doordash sent me was this order right here, $5 for 3.8 miles. That is a no-go. I don't waste my time on orders like this. I need at least $7 for 3.8 miles, so that one was a hard no. Following right after that order, I did get sent this offer, $6.50 for 3.5 miles at Qdoba. Not a bad offer, but I also had to decline this one. And the reason is, as you can see there's only one item on this order. And there's a lower possibility for a hidden tip when there's only one item. So I had to go ahead and let that one go. Next, I did get this Jersey Mike's offer sent to my phone, $7 for 4.5 miles, 2 items. I like Jersey Mike's. They more than likely gonna have this order ready, and it's a possibility to get a stack coming out of this restaurant. And that's exactly what happened. I actually got sent a stack coming out of Panera, $4.75 for an additional 1.6 mile. Not a bad offer, but for the time that's gonna take me to go to an additional place and an additional drop off, it's not worth it for me, you know, so I had to go ahead and decline that. Alrighty, got that Jersey Mike's offer dropped off. $7 what was shown, $8 what we got. Not bad. So the next offer Doordash sent me was this one, $6.50 for 11 miles. I mean, 2 times negative miles to money ratio on this one. Don't take offers like these. I mean, guys, I'm trying to tell you, if you're getting sent offers like these in your area and you trying to accept every order, that's gonna absolutely kill you. Please don't take offers like these. You got $6.50 for 11 miles. What else they sent me? $6.50 for 3.7 miles. Not a bad offer, bad merchant though. This place is notorious for being slow. It's like the bad version of Denny's. That's frying pan for you. So then after frying pan, what else they send me? Pizza Ranch, $8.50 for 5.8 miles. Not a bad offer, but it's Saturday night. Them pizza spots is finna be packed. I'm not going nowhere where I'm finna have any suspicion of a wait time. So that's a hard no for me. Next offer they sent me was Ruby Tuesdays, $2.50 for 4.5 miles. Now boy, they lucky I ain't confronting no tippers today, cause that'd have been the one. You got me messed up. So I had to go ahead and let that go all the way. But you know what? I did end up getting a halfway decent offer after that. It was $11 for $11.79 for 4.7 miles, a stack, 2 offers. So one of them is a good offer, one of them ain't. But I'm gonna keep the wheels rolling with that one. So we heard now we're gonna go ahead and pick this one up. So the time is now 6:10 p.m. So we've been going for 2 hours. I am at $47.29. And this is the thing, be selective. I declined about 2 orders and then I get hit with this right here. This is why you want to be selective. Doordash will play games, but you can't let them manipulate you. Look at this. $6.50, 3.4 miles, 25 items at Noodles & Company. That's a $300 order right there. This is gonna be probably a $20 or $30 tip on this order, and I'm finna get it done within the hour. That's how you want to maximize. Be selective. Don't take whatever DoorDash sends you, because they'll have you going all over the town for $2, $3 orders, and that's not what you want to do. I'm about to check in and see on this order. It might not be ready, but that's okay. I will wait as long as it take on this order, because this order is worth the hour. Now I'm gonna get another one after this, but this order alone is worth 1 hour. Let's see how much $300 of Noodles & Company's pays. $47.31. Would you look at that? Wow. Wow. So that was literally a $44.81 for the tip. That's the biggest tip I've gotten so far on DoorDash. Let's go. Catering is the way to go. If you don't have a large order program, I highly recommend you get it, because it's a game changer. As you can see right there, that's an hour's worth of work right there. What's this? $3.50 for 9 miles? Man, I'm the fastest dasher alive. Stop playing with me, bro. No. Alrighty, so gotta keep these wheels rolling. So the next offer that Doordash decided to send me was $9 for 8.8 miles. I cannot do that, because what you gotta realize is Applebee's is slow as hell. I'm not about to waste my whole night at no Applebee's, man. Stop playing with me. I'm the fastest dasher alive, and ain't no way I'm making money waiting at no Applebee's all night. Then they want to send me this $7.50 for 5 miles, 2 items. No, I'm not making no money like that, like I'm trying to tell you. So what was the next one? $4.75 for 3.6 miles. No tip, no trip. This order probably got declined probably about 5 times, and it worked its way all the way up to about $4.75. No, that's not for trade. So then the next order they sent me $8.50, 9.6 miles. Like, again, negative miles to money ratio. This is what I'm trying to teach you. The orders that you see here, these are not the orders that you want to take. You cannot be profitable if you're taking orders like this on a consistent basis. So I'm trying to help you out. Next order I got was this. What was it? $7.25 for 4.8 miles. And if you look closely at the map, they called me to this order. Why? Because I got a large order program. Now, when I clicked on the order, it said take a picture of your catering bag. Boom! Catering bag right there, ready to go. I'm trying to tell you, look, be selective. Don't take whatever they send you, because they have you going all over the place, and that's not what I'm trying to do. Now let's check in and see if this order is. They want some barbecue, so we're gonna go ahead and hook them up. $135 worth of catering. Somebody wanted them some barbecue. Let's see how much barbecue pays. And barbecue pays $22.50. Let's get it. Get you some large order program, I'm trying to tell you. Alrighty, so checking in, the time is now 7:20. So we are 3 hours in, and I'm at $117 and some change. So I mean, catering is the way to go. Caterade. If you ain't got that large order program, you slacking. You're not making the most. You're not maximizing in your zone. You do not have to be the highest acceptance rate or none of that. You just need to get in that program and maximize and get that money. So 3 hours in, I'm at $117 and change. We're making good money, and I got my next order already. We're gonna be checking in right over there at Qdoba. I got $8.50 for 1 mile, 3 items. They just turned on a $2 peak pay. So now, instead of $6.50 for that hidden tip indicator, you gotta add $2 to it. $4 tip plus base pay, they add your $2 peak pay, and that gives you $8.50 for a hidden tip indicator. 1 mile away, that's a perfect order, starting out hour number 3. Now let's get it done. See, you got to be very careful when they turn on that peak pay, because a lot of times it'll jack up the systems. So it'll be orders that's been sitting out there, and when they throw that peak pay on there, it incentivizes the novice drivers to go get those bullshit orders. I'm trying to teach you the game. Don't do it. I just went into Qdoba, that order was ready to go. Know your market. I know Qdoba, that's why I accepted that one. Know your market. Next order of the night, $8.50 for 3.9 miles, 4 items at Speedway. It's a gas station. So we're gonna go ahead and slide up in this gas station and see if this order is ready. Hello. Picking up a DoorDash order.
Yes, sir.
For Caitlin.
Yep.
You got it ready?
Got ready.
You got it ready? It's ready to go.
It's been kind of slow today.
This for Caitlin right here?
Yep.
It's been slow. What Caitlin got? Damn, Caitlin got all candy. Damn.
Kit Kat, Oreos.
Ain't she a good
Skechers.
tipper? Dang. Okay, well, I guess we gotta get Caitlin her order then.
Yes, you do.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Keep warm out there.
Heck yeah. So, time for an hourly check-in. The time is now 8:10. We are 4 hours in. I'm at $134.60. And if you divide that by 4 hours, that gives you a total of $33.65 per hour. Dashing my way. Being selective, not letting DoorDash send me wherever they want to, and I haven't even been mostly happy. I just wanted to prove that you can make a decent amount of money on DoorDash on a weekend night, but you have to be selective, and you can't just take everything DoorDash send you, because they will send you a lot of trash. And I would not have been able to make $136 in 4 hours if I would have been taking trash. Excuse me, $134 in 4 hours if I would have been taking all that trash. So you got to realize being selective does work. Now, some may say, hey, well, if you would have just kept the wheels rolling the whole time, you'd have made that same amount of money. Well, no, that's impossible, because with $3, $4 orders, it's not happening. One order I got paid me $44 some change. And another order I got paid me $22.50. That's $70 between those two orders right there. Give or take, a little bit less than 70, but those two orders both got done in less than 10 minutes. And still had time to do another order. So that large order program gives you the opportunity to cherry pick at a much higher level than you would be able to if you didn't have that. So I'm telling you, go ahead, get you signed up, get that money.